In this video, I am going to show you how to add a playlist on Smartone Iptv. First, ensure that you have the Smartone Iptv app installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the main menu. Once you're in the app, look for the Settings or Playlist option, typically found in the sidebar or under the main menu. Select this option to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to add a new playlist. If you have a URL for your IPTV playlist, select the option to enter a playlist URL. Paste the URL into the designated field and give your playlist a name for easy identification. If you prefer to create a local playlist, you can choose the option for local files. This may involve navigating to the location on your device where the M3U file is stored. After entering the URL or selecting the local playlist file, click Add or Save. The app will begin loading the channels from your playlist. Once the playlist is successfully added, return to the main screen of Smartone Iptv. Navigate to the Playlists section to find your newly added playlist, and you can now start streaming your favorite channels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.